Hey guys, Rock here, Island Pond, Vermont. It is February 1st, 2022. Today I got a 2015 Polaris Sportsman Ace 570. Gonna do a little walk around, then we'll do a test drive. This is the first time owning one of these things. I've had Razors and I've had plenty of ATVs, but first time on an Ace, so should be interesting. See how she does. This one does have quite a few accessories. Has the Polaris box, rear window, roof, windshield, mirror. Doesn't have any doors, but it's got front and rear bumpers, winch. It's got some different wheels and tires. These are not the plain black steel ones that comes with it, so pretty decent machine. Well, I didn't get her cleaned up. Of course, it's kind of cold out here, so if I did, it would just freeze right to it. So anyways, let's take this thing for a ride. All right, so hop in this thing. Man, getting in it, it feels weird. It feels like I don't know, it feels like you're in a go-kart or something. Seat is all the way back, but got enough leg room, but seems kind of cramped widthways, but it's all right. Fire up, get the 570 dual overhead cam engine, same that's in the Razor and the ATVs. So we got park, reverse, neutral, low and high range, two-wheel drive, forward or all-wheel drive switch right here. Gonna give her a go. These tires are pretty nice. They got plenty of tread, but they're kind of a hard tire, and I'm seeing that it's on this icy road doesn't do good spinning, and with the engine braking it's kind of swinging me around in the back. So I'm gonna stick to off the road. We don't have a ton of snow, so we'll see what we can do out here. Uh-oh. This thing wants if I can ever get out of the field here. We'll see. So this unit does not have power steering now, boy. Probably gonna get stuck. And she's chugging along, but yeah, we'll get up on the road and it should do better. Or not the road, but my snowmobile trail. Well, I better take the road to get down there because I don't feel like getting buried. But yeah, anyways, this thing is, this is not a power steering unit. Some of them do have the EPS, this one does not. From what I'm feeling right now, it it turns nice and easy. However, you do feel that jerkiness basically versus the power steering. Electric power steering is just so smooth. Definitely not going to be able to do a top speed test on this machine today. Like I said, this thing is just all over the place on the road here. A little bit of gravel down here, so it shouldn't be as bad, but this does have an engine braking to the rear wheels only, so that's what's kind of hurting me as far as when I let go of the gas. Just wants to pull that back tire out. But this trail's a little more hard packed. I think this thing will do pretty good on it. the visor down. A little hard to tell with the power, but it seems okay. I can't really get enough traction to tell you it has excellent power. Yeah. It does chew through the trail pretty good. See if we can get a run on this hill. Anyways, can't really give it the test I usually do. Alright. Well, these tires seem to go good in the snow, just not the ice. Probably throw it in two-wheel drive, won't go anywhere. Yeah, not bad. It is a decent little unit. I know they got like I said, this is a 570, the medium, basically the medium Ace. They got a sports the Ace ETX, which is a 325, I believe, or 327. 32 horse. I think this is 44, 45. And then the next step up from this would be the Ace 900, which I'm sure that thing goes real good. The suspension seems pretty nice in this, just soaking up the bumps here. But, we're not bouncing off rocks right now, but still there's some bumps in the trail here. Seems nice and plush. Still can't get over the fact, you know, I'm in the center of this thing. It's like an ATV, but I'm not on top of the seat, sitting like a razor. It's a little strange, but see what I mean? Definitely wouldn't want to do a top speed test, end up rolling this thing over today anyways. The hill's pretty good, sanded. The rest of it's not. Traction, see what I can do. Pretty good. This thing probably get up 55, 60, I'm guessing. I know the Sportsman 570 move right along, probably that speed, but anyways, you can't do much more of a test without the some actual ground to travel on, but there's a little short video on that anyways. But all right, thanks for watching, guys.